Yuppie, bring the wheelbarrow over here.
Ready whenever you are, Toby.
Good, because this corn ain't gonna pick itself.
Ready, steady. Nice one.
I think this is the biggest one yet.
Lunch, my children.
Wait, did our mother say lunchtime? Yes, Bramble. Now come on, don't waste any time and let's eat our delicious lunch together. Come in, Mom. Bramble, run quickly as you can.
Should we continue after lunch?
You can go ahead, Toby.
We'll finish up and catch up with you. Make sure you save some for us.
You got it. Wow, special delivery.
I'd like your favorite.
I love Zerpos.
Anything for a hungry grandson.
Boy, am I hungry. They smell great. Thanks, Grandma. Delicious. Dee-dee? Want to share? Dee-dee.
Bramble, I told you not to bring your pet. He will ruin the corn of everything. Don't listen to my brother, little piglet. Just come on in and eat those delicious snacks that we got.
Come on, yum, yum.
I'm done.
Ooh.
I'm starving.
And I'm thirsty.
Oh, wait, come back. We scared him.
No, that's just like you, Toby. Always sharing everything you have with everyone.
I know. What a guy.
I think we're put on this planet to be friends with each other.
Well, you sure do make friends with some strange creatures, or not.
I guess I do. Huh? Wait, balls of fire!